call this meeting for just two reasons. We want to make certain announcements on behalf of the party. But before that, I'd like to introduce my friend. He's Pramod Rianji. He's a two-time BJP MLA from Tripura, and he's here on his visit. He has been coming to Mizoram in the past as well. So today he's accompanying me along with my colleagues in the party. First of all, I am sure you must have seen yesterday the successful induction of Lalrinliana Sailo, former Speaker of Mizoram Legislative Assembly. Press conference was called on a short notice for two reasons. Yesterday, you must have seen the induction of former Speaker Lalrinliana Sailo into the BJP. We call it political tsunami in Mizoram, and in the induction program, Deputy Chief Minister of Nagaland, Sri mawhphurhna was there. The National Secretary and co-convener of Northeast BJP, Sri Riturajji, was also there, including myself and the entire office bearer of the BJP in Mizoram. So, in the follow-up, we have invited you to make a major announcement. We have appointed Sri Lalrinliana Sailo as the convener of the Election Management Committee of BJP Mizoram. Along with him, we have two co-conveners, Dr. B.D. Chakma, who is our lone MLA, and Sri Delson Notlia, who is the BJP National Secretary, BJP Minority Morcha. So this is announcement we wanted to make. The other announcement we want to make is that in the past, unlike other political parties in Mizoram, like Congress, MNF or ZPM, we have not announced our candidature list. It's because we have a very thorough process. We do a lot of survey, and after which the State Election Committee sits, and after which Central Election Committee sits. Only after that the Parliamentary Board, which is headed by the Prime Minister of India, sits. So this will be completed in the next 3 days, and we'll be announcing the list of candidates. For the rest assured, you will be the first to know. We have already instructed our party Karyakartas to, especially the media team, to collect all your numbers if they don't already have it, and contact numbers and email addresses. So we'll be communicating with you. Another announcment is for all our election processes, from our campaigns, from our party ticket holders to our rallies, we will be holding press conferences every evening, and we will be inviting all of you. So that's another additional information I wanted to give you. So if you have any question with regards to what we have announced, I'm ready to take the questions. We will be announcing the list of not just the candidates, but also the constituency in which all of them will contest at one go. We don't want to name just one or one individual or the other. We want to announce the list together. So I'll give you the information by Tuesday.
Yesterday, Lalrinliana Sailo has said that the next government formations will be with the BJP. So BJP, he said that BJP will not be able to form government on its own, but will be a part of the government in the next government to form. So which party, like, are you, let's assume that, which regional party are you focusing to work on in the next days, in the next election, ZPM or the MNF?
We will respond to that post-election. We will be now, because our energy resources are focused on fighting the elections, we are actually focusing on all the logistics, all the political campaigns that we will be doing in the entire state. And post-election, you will be definitely the first one to know.
After election, you will decide.
Are you open to all the parties?
See, it is very clear. Except for the Congress party, we feel that every regional party and their aspirations are in line with NDA and NEDA's aspiration. So I don't think we have any such notions of untouchability with any party.
How many seats you are hopeful in this coming election?
So we will, once the list is decided, we will be having a press conference. From there, we will be able to tell you. We want to contest in as many seats as possible, but we will contest to win.
Yesterday, Mr. Lalrinliana Sailo, in his joining address to the people, he said that the MNF is being against to the BJP party in the state of Mizoram, but extremely close to the NDA in the center. So, can you give comments on this?
This is something which, in fact, even the Chief Minister, Mizoram has made the same assertions many a times. We wanted to say that, and we have been maintaining that for within 1 week, one MNF senior minister joined BJP, Dr. Pechon. Then the Speaker of Mizoram State Assembly joined BJP from MNF. This is, as we have stated in the past, a friendly contest among partners. And if you look at Meghalaya, BJP and NPP had post-poll alliance, but in the run-up to the election, BJP contested all the 60 seats in Meghalaya. So this formula is not a new formula. And in NEDA and even in NDA, BJP has always maintained the spirit of partnership. MNF is in the treasury bench in the Lok Sabha. They are part and parcel of NDA. What they do in Mizoram Assembly is up to them. But at least for BJP, we respect our alliance partners, and we have at least the trust of our alliance partners that we will never break the integrity of our alliance. Therefore, if you see the lone Lok Sabha member from Mizoram is part of the Treasury Alliance in the Lok Sabha.
The lone BJP, Mr. B.D. Chakma, had announced his non-intention to be the candidate in the next elections. But recently, that Mr. B.D. Chakma, he said that he was saying that he's been in contact with the central leaders that he will be contesting again. So can you confirm once and for all that B.D. Chakma will be contesting in the coming assembly once again?
He has already applied for the ticket.
Yes.
So in the BJP, we have a very democratic process, unlike regional parties. We accept every application according to our constitution. The application will go through 3 processes. One, the State Election Committee. Second, the Central Election Committee. And finally, the Parliamentary Board. So on the basis of the merit of the case, tickets are given. If you see other states as well, even sitting MLAs have been denied tickets on the basis of either one reason or the other. So even here, anybody and everybody will have to apply, and the same process and the procedures will be applied. by the party. Our party, whether it is a small state or a big state, has very clear political process of campaigning. It is led by the Prime Minister. In the last election in 2018, the Prime Minister came, and in 2023 also, the Prime Minister will lead the campaign. He will come, our Home Minister will come, our Gadkari ji will come, and a host of star campaigners will come, because we are equally concerned for Mizoram as much as we are concerned for other states we are contesting in.
Is there any particular star campaigner from the Mizoram BJP?
Besides the two of us, we have a host of party Karakatas, star campaigners. But from Northeast, we have a lot of star campaigners as well. And most likely tonight we'll have one more announcement. We usually have in any election to assembly elections, we have ministerial prabari for the state elections. So most likely tonight the announcement will be made.
Two veteran politicians have already joined the BJP. So are there any other big names coming up? Like in contact with the BJP?
Yeah, we already have many in touch with us, but we have a formal process of inducting them. So as soon as we do the process, we'll announce them. Yeah.